Hey everybody, this is Dr. Brian and Sarah, and we're going to talk about some of the ways that we accommodate pregnant women in the practice and make sure that it's as smooth and as easy a process as possible for somebody going through that magical experience in her life. One of the ways is through the history and the consultation. Obviously, pregnancy is a unique sort of experience where there's lots of chemical and physical changes happening in the mother and the baby. And so it's important that we take that into account when we get to know Sarah and what's bothering her, and then try to make a plan for getting that corrected. That's one way that we help make sure that pregnant women feel and are welcome and heard, and we know exactly what we need to do to take care of them. The second thing is we've got pillows strategically placed under Sarah's body. So you can see this lower pillow here. This is underneath her hips, rocking her pelvis back. That opens up her low back, and it also makes room for this beautiful little human coming into the world. This allows Sarah to lie face down comfortably, despite, whether or not you can tell, being at an advanced stage of pregnancy. We've got a pillow here as well. That just leaves that nice space for the belly and the baby to go so that she can lie face down and relax as much as possible. Most pregnant women who come in here in 30, 32, 36, 38 weeks of pregnancy are super grateful to have those pillows under there because it allows them to lie face down, lets their spine relax, and lets them breathe easy and feel great. So, one more thing, Sarah, just roll over now onto your back, please. We'll get those out of your way. Smooth and graceful as advertised, for sure. Let's bend your knees. That's right. One last thing that we'll check is called the round ligament. It's a small ligament. It's super important in terms of keeping the hips and the pelvis in balance. I'm just going to touch you here and find your belly button and then your hip there. It's roughly here, and we'll hold a light and direct contact on that ligament. Very, very simple to do, has profound results in terms of changing the hips and the pelvis and their relationship to help her better deal with the stresses that are occurring inside of her body as she gets ready for her little miracle birth. Thanks for being here, Sarah. Pregnant women, welcome.